keeps it a little more mild, more mellow, a little more easy to go to.
Other mash bills that I've seen, and he was like, back then, there wasn't a ton of creativity in terms of mash bills.
Use a signal whenever you feel like it.
Get the Bavaria cast from like.
So a friend told me about Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and his exact words were, "It changed my life. I used to spend a ridiculous amount of time trying to remove tomato sauce from inside our microwave and soap scum off the bathtub." It's like serious.
I remember in 1992, we lost in game number 4 to the Washington Capitals. Dino Ciccarelli had 4 goals. We got booed off the ice. Josh, our barn, the old barn across the road there at the Civic Arena, we got booed. I never got...
Okay, if you're gonna sit.
The Glenwood Bridge, the Bexford Road, all due to serious accident.
Really?
Accident on 28 outbound before you get to the Highland Park Bridge. 12 minute delay there is still on the Bridge. This report is sponsored.
The Pipes, brought to you by PPG, official paint of the Pittsburgh Penguins.
Every playoffs game is, you should have high level concentration, high level focus, and be ready on 100.
Causes silence, who are we mistaken? But you say it's not me.
That being said, I really don't have all that much else to say. Nice Pittsburgh left. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go too if you're going to sit there.
That would take, like, you talking like lineup changes?
I don't, no. You don't want to change the lines. The lines are great as they are.
That's what I thought, too.
I don't know. Kasperi Kapanen's an enigma. I think he has a ton of talent. He can disappear.
To recover. You know, for most people, if you've been battling a sickness, a week or two. But in all honesty, if it doesn't get better, you really should go see a doctor because the tongue is...
You are so fucking stupid.
Closer. What's a quick on-the-go, but like legit grab-and-go item? I will take suggestions at PGH Trav or at 10590X.
Think different brand. But you were incredibly close, so keep that in mind.
Stratus.
Think Yeah, they made a Stratus in 17. Think, it's a Lincoln MKZ.
I really have really enjoyed, especially over the last year or so, being able to bring that knowledge to so many people and sort of share some of these cool experiences.
You'd be better off taking grain alcohol, pouring it on a church pew, and sucking it, because that's about the amount of flavor you're going to get.
How many people sat on that church pew before you started?
Maybe you're waiting to talk to your doctor right now, but if you're having an irregular heartbeat, heart racing, chest pain,
Schools and commercial offices, Steve Harris install and service refrigerator systems in supermarkets, retail stores, warehouses, and laboratories. Steam fitters work on process pipe systems.
So in the event that happens, should we take her back to court or just have, I mean, I don't know exactly how they...
Find it out. What, you got 2 years?
What the fuck is happening here?
Welcome back to an episode of Bourbon Pursuit, the official podcast of Bourbon. The whole team here today,
exactly half a tank to get here.
Another aspect that we get inside of the bourbon industry. And
that was almost 200 miles
on the
my
show
car.
I have a friend of mine who loves, because I tell this story because it gives him credit for it. But originally, I had a friend that worked for Sazerac who called me up and said, "Hey, do you want to..."
We didn't do 95 this year, but we did. We have three variations of 51% rye that the trade could taste through. And
Or Frosty-Chino for just $1. Only at Winkles. Limited time only. U.S. price and participation may vary. Get up to 50% off store-wide in Old Navy. Find our must-have summer style starting at just $5.
Connor McDavid doesn't make that play. McDavid doesn't even think about making that play. To be blunt, Mario Lemieux doesn't make that play. Nor does...
That we passed. No, you're just going.
To get back and get another game. The top line has had a lot of shots. Gensel with 19. No goals in the series. A lot of talk about it, but I was thinking about that face-off tonight into it.
More.
That cross tour did the most to not get another car ahead.
Go register all the domains, are you? Yeah, like we've.
In the world, and people are like, "Did you get your shots before you ate that?" it doesn't matter. That's my downfall.
It comes with saddle Lipitor.
You know.
What if I'm just talking about like friends?
No, wrong one.
And like from you, I mean,
This one.
why is he not the greatest player?
When it comes to it.
Yeah, I think so.
But with 3, I'll let you do the reveal here in a second. I do feel that there is a good Sherry influence. Burn a big group in smaller groups start forming. You start getting more people that end up getting scammed. And we all know.
They didn't fix this at all. They just made it look like they did.
There you go. You're all caught up at Commercial Free Commutes next.
This is Hall of Famer Eric Dickerson. Here's what's trending on the
Muffler.
Presented by Universal Windows Direct.
The pack was made too early.
This is the stop line, and this is way too far up.
Right. Stop line's actually back there. You're at the crosswalk.
Formalities.
Yeah, you're a full car length in front of the stop line.
Formalities.